Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A10s and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. Let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it. And for now we are on standard photo mode, so let's stay here and focus on this settings bar. Now we have to tap to the second from the right button. Here we get access to our aspect ratio and we are in 3 and 4. Let's move to 9 and 16. As you can see, the background has changed now to the longer one. Another tap to this button and we can pick also 1 and 1, so the square one. And when we pick the second from the right button once again, we can also move to full aspect ratio, full camera frame. So this is how it looks like. And of course, when we tap here once again, we can pick whatever we need. Now let me go back to 3 and 4, the original one. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.